Alright there, ladies and gentlemen, back at you with another episode of DIY Amateur Hour. Today we're making a shelf, a tool hanger, organizer for all of our battery powered tools over there. They're kind of messy, never really had a spot for them, just kind of throw them in a bin, throw them in a shelf. But we're going to change that today. We're going to build something that's quick, easy, simple, that you can do at home to hang these up, get them off the floor, get them off the countertops. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So like I said, I apologize for starting this video kind of right in the middle of the project, but the idea to make the video kind of hit me a little too late. So I've already made the holders for a bunch of the tools. So what we have left to make the holders for is the circular saw, the right angle drill, and a light. So that's what we're going to work with here. The way that this shelving idea works is that you make a small slot for something like the handle or another small portion of the tool, so that the larger section, in this case the battery holder and magnetic tray, won't fall through. So therefore you just slide the tool right in and it stays. Same thing with the jigsaw, as I made the hole for the area just above the battery and it slides right in. So it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. So we're going to get started on the last three that we have to do. So here, I'm going to be making the slot for the circular saw. You can kind of see how I have it lined up. Plenty of room on the right side for the next tool. And kind of got it lined up for the little nub on the handle there. So our slot is going to be just a little bit wider than this area right here. Maybe an 1/8 inch on either side to make it a little bit easier to slide it in. And then obviously the handhold will be what holds it in place. So let's get started. So just like you saw in the last clip, we're lining everything up, make sure we have plenty of room for the next tool to get in. And we're going to come in right where the end of that handle is. We're going to add about 1/8 of an inch, make a mark, do the same thing on the other side. I'll take our square, draw a line. I'm going about 2.5 inches in. Same thing on the other side. And then we just connect the dots. After we connect the lines, that's what we're left with. We'll take the jigsaw, cut it out, slide the tool in. Easy as that. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Simple as that to make an easy slot. Hang your tools so they're out of the way, but they're still easily accessible. You can grab it and go. So we'll make the extra slot for the right angle drill and a light. Maybe put in a slot for another light in case I ever get another one. And we'll probably mount our battery charger up here somewhere. Have a spot for tools, drill bits, stuff like that. So let's keep working. All right there, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you make a quick, easy, and simple shelf for your battery-powered tools. You'll notice that the light sticks out a little bit different. I think when I add the second one, I'll probably do it a little bit differently, but it's a rather weird shape. And you can't hang it this way because the narrowest portion is on top. So I had to do it this way. But it works, it's simple. We'll get it mounted on the wall, painted up, but that's it for now. If you have any tips, tricks, comments, or ideas, be sure to leave them down below. If you have any comments of how I could have made this better, be sure to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, you can always DIY. And don't forget to